This car is GLS 450 and you can see here this fuel filling flap is not opening automatically when we have to press for opening. So in this car the problem is, you can see this black one is the internal damage. The lock, this spring is broken, that's why this is not going back automatically. So just we have to remove this white one, this cover flap. Now after unlocking the lock, just you have to disconnect. Here is also one pipe here. Now you have to pull out this pipe, and you can see here after fixing new one how is the condition. It's automatically going out. Now also we have to fix new stickers. You can see here the difference between new and old. This is the old and you can see new. They have this spring. Because of this spring, this one going out and in easy with the easy force, so that's why this broken, and this flap is not automatically open.